In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your brake light switch with cruise control on your Mazda 3. It's located under your brake pedal. We're going to disconnect our connector here. So you're going to push in on this with a small screwdriver. Push up and out, away from the brake light switch. Maybe a little tough if it's been in there forever. And then pull it out. Put that off to the side. Now that you've unplugged it, you're going to twist and pull. Take it out. You're going to match up this oval shape with the oval shape on the bracket, and then you're going to twist it in. Once it's in, you're going to twist it in. It should be locked in. And then you're going to plug in your harness. Make sure your brake lights work by hitting your brake pedal a few times and having someone watch your lights behind you. You should be all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.